Hi all, this is another tutorial about HeeksCAD. This time we will do some polygons here, like this one. It's a bolt head or a stop sign with octagon or a triangle. I show you how this can be done quick. First, let's do a new data file. Here is the polygon. Just hit it. Here you can choose how many edges you want. Let's say here 3. Then you can choose the inner or the outer cycle. What do you want to use? And here is your triangle. Let's do it again. I will start here in the middle, and you see here you can fix to the grid here and do a rotation of this file. Let's do a stop sign with 8. If you want it precise, you can choose here the digitalization. Here's the grid size. You can get any number in there, so you will have the shape you want to use. And for milling it, just hit profile, machining, post-process, and you are done here. You can choose whatever start point you want. Machining, post-process, here it's the radius up. I recommend here don't use the offset, as it goes into really, you need really the G61 exact pass mode. It is here in this level. Yeah, simply best possible speed. No, I would like to use exact pass mode. Machining, run PostScript. Why did it not use exact pass mode? Machining, post-process, and there we are. Yes, and also I recommend to use CRC, cutter radius compensation. Where we are here, the cutter radius compensation with outside climb is okay. Machining, post-process, then it's now on the line, but you have here the G41, so the cutter will keep offset to the pass. It's on the machine control. See another tutorial for this, and you will get exact pass mode with one cutter, just rough with a higher diameter, and with the exact diameter get the finished pass. So thank you for watching this. See you next time on another tutorial. Bye.